Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create borders around your artwork in ClipStudioPaint. Let's just get right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up one of my art pieces that I recently finished. You should already have your piece done as well if you're already looking at this video or if you just want to try something different. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to get the magic wand tool, and then you're going to click the outside of your piece. Then after that, you're going to want to make a blank layer underneath your piece, and then you're going to go ahead and go up to the select tool, which is between layer and view, and then you're going to go ahead and come on down to shrink selected area, and then for the pixels, I think yours would probably be at 0 if you've never used this tool before. And for the shrinking type, you're going to want it to push outwards, or you can go ahead and do this in order for the edge to be a little bit less angled and jagged. It'll just be more curved. And for the shrinking width, you're going to want to do like 20 and up, 20 pixels and up, I mean. And then you're going to go ahead and click OK. And that's the effect that you should be getting with your piece. It should all be curved, it should all be selected, and all that good stuff. So then you're going to go ahead and go back and then invert the selected area. That way when you use the bucket tool for whatever color you're going for your border, or going with for your border, you can just go ahead and click the bucket tool, click the inside of the piece, and it won't like fill the color all around the piece, minus the area that you've actually tried to select. So what's really cool about this is you can go ahead and make a separate layer, select the clipping tool area, or the clip to layer below button, whatever it's called, and then you're going to go ahead and click gradient. You can also just leave it plain colored, but if you want to mess with it, you can just go here, select any of these tools, and then just play around with the border color just for a little bit, just to see what goes, And that is how you create borders around your art pieces. This tutorial can be perfect for those that want to create or design t-shirts, or if you want to create sticker packs, especially if you own like a Qwick or some form of sticker cutter machine and everything like that. This is also really good for those that send their sticker ideas into printing companies and everything like that. That way they know exactly where to cut on your piece. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and give this video a like, share with your friends, share with your art friends. Leave a comment if you have any other tips and tricks that you want to see or that you can provide to the audience down below. And if you want to see more of my art content, go ahead and check out my tutorial playlist. I will be uploading more videos very soon. Just be patient, It is what it is. Have a wonderful day, afternoon, or evening, and shalom.